Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 5 supplements that work for skin whitening. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to join our family. I have brittle nails. My hair doesn't grow beyond a point. I see faint white patches on my skin. Hair fall is beyond control, dull hair and skin. Does any of this ring a bell? If yes, supplements can be your saviors. Why do you think we go through all of this despite thinking we are eating healthy? With changing lifestyles and considerable shifts in the environment, we are exposed to a lot more than our parents or their parents were about 40 years ago. The yield of our crops and nutrients in the soil are not half as potent as they were about 100 years ago. And that's why all of us are battling chronic issues, from something as mild as acne or dull skin to life-threatening diseases that didn't exist until very recently. How do we tackle this? To lead a healthy lifestyle, we must get a sufficient amount of minerals and vitamins in every way possible. Supplements go a long way in improving the overall health of your skin. Let's talk about them and also list the best products out there. Number 5. AlgaeCal Plus. AlgaeCal Plus is a unique calcium and mineral complex derived from plant sources. It contains vitamins K2, 7, D3, and C along with 13 naturally occurring minerals. It also contains magnesium and boron to aid bone health. The ingredients are from plant or natural resources. Why calcium? Calcium deficiency manifests itself in the form of brittle nails, dull and dry patches, acne, etc. The deficiency also prevents the growth of new skin cells, weak bones, loss of skin elasticity, etc. Women after 30 need to ensure they take calcium supplements more than ever. Number 4. Jarrow Formula's methylcobalamin. Jarrow Formula's methylcobalamin B12 supplement is vegan and non-GMO and contains naturally sourced ingredients. It contains methylcobalamin, which is a naturally occurring form of vitamin B12. Why vitamin B12? When you see someone with radiant skin, you know their diet and lifestyle are on point. If you think everything is fine and yet have hair fall and dull skin, add vitamin B12 to your diet and observe the results. Number 3. Nature-Made Vitamin D3 Supplement. Nature-Made Vitamin D3 Supplement gives you 2 vital elements you need for bone strength: calcium, and vitamin D1 soft gel covers your daily recommended limit of vitamin D3. It is free of gluten, synthetic, and preservatives. Why vitamin D? Also known as the sunshine vitamin, it is one of the most common vitamins people lack. It is also highly prescribed by doctors because the deficiency can create many issues. If you are in a place that doesn't get enough sun, or have pale or white patches, it is highly likely that you need vitamin D supplements. Number 2. Whole Foods Market. Food-sourced vitamin C. The FDA-approved vitamin C food-sourced supplement from Whole Foods is made from organic ingredients, and does not use any synthetic or compromised sources for formulation. Each tablet gives you about 250 milligrams of vitamin C, so you can use it as per your requirement. The daily recommended limit is anywhere between 500 to 1000 milligrams. Why vitamin C? Topical applications of vitamin C in the form of serums or eating foods enriched with vitamin C go a long way. But some of us do not get enough of it for various reasons, and it is one of the most recommended supplements. It boosts collagen production and contains antioxidants that repair skin damage. Number 1. Solgar Vitamin E, 400 IU, Mixed Soft Gels. Each Solgar Vitamin E, 400 IU, Mixed Soft Gel contains natural vitamin E in the form of D-alpha tocopherol, and D-beta, D-delta, and D-gamma tocopherols. It is free of starch, sugar, gluten, soy, dairy, or any other artificial flavors, colorants. Take 1 soft gel preferably after your meal. Why vitamin E? Vitamin E is a fat-soluble nutrient found naturally in a lot of foods. It also acts as an antioxidant that protects your skin from damage by free radicals, pollution, and sun exposure. We know it as just vitamin E, but it is a combination of 8 essential compounds. It helps prevents acne. It also improves blood circulation, builds stronger immunity, and supports cardiovascular activity. Comment below and let us know, what do you think about our list? If this video was helpful, please like the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.